All hybrid vehicles and even electric vehicles share one thing in common. They have brakes, and they also have brake pads that need to be serviced, and you can do it. We're going to find out how next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
Do the words regenerative braking scare you? Well, they really shouldn't. Basically what regenerative braking is they use an engine to generate braking force to stop the vehicle or at least slow it down a little bit. But all hybrids, they use brake pads in panic and emergency stop situations, and typically from the last 10 miles an hour down to 0. So they do wear out. With regenerative braking, the condition of the brake fluid is very important, so make sure you're performing the proper flush. These are a little bit more complex hydraulic systems. You need to make sure that you're following the proper procedures when you push the piston back. Some systems, you're going to need a scan tool. Some systems, you need to be aware that you could be causing a hydraulic fault code that needs to be cleared after the test drive of the vehicle. On some hybrids, the rear brakes may last over 100,000 miles. This is why it is critical you use a high quality brake pad on those, because they're going to be there for maybe 10 years or more. These brake pads need to be resistant to corrosion, and they need to be installed properly, and also the hardware needs to be properly lubricated and properly installed so those brake pads can work over 100,000 miles. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.